everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Faye. If this is your first time, I'm so glad to have you here. I hope that something will be said or done that will cause you want to join the family. All it takes is a quick click of that subscribe button, and also click the bell to be notified when I upload a vlog. For those that are returning, welcome back. I'm glad to see you guys are still here and still rocking with me. And as I stated before, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, that your day is blessed. Don't have too much going on, but I'm going to bring you guys along with me for my day. I did receive a couple packages in the mail from Amazon, so I'm going to go ahead and open those with you guys. So I'll call you back in a moment. All right? Peace and blessings. Okay, guys, one of the items I received from Amazon is actually this gold purse here. I just thought it looked cute and that it was different, so I wanted to add it to my collection. I already have some gold heels that I'm going to pair it with. So yeah, I can't wait to rock this. All right, let's get the next item. And the next item was just this laptop adapter. Mine was acting crazy, not letting my computer turn on. So I went ahead and replaced the adapter. So hopefully this will work for me. And yeah, those are the two things I received today. I know there's a number of other packages coming in, and you know, you guys, I will open them up with you once I receive them. All right, I'll call you guys back. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another day, another vlog. Today is Monday, January the 16th. I'm getting ready to head out to the chiropractor, so I'm going to bring you guys along with me. Again, I hope you're having a good day, staying safe, being blessed, and I will call you guys back in a little bit. All right, peace and blessings.
I don't wanna wait.
Just wanted to bring you up so I could show you my dinner. I didn't bring you in the kitchen to cook with me. I wanted to try to go ahead and get it done and over with. So yeah, this is what we're having. Smothered chicken with rice and gravy and green beans on the side. Bon appetit.
Don't know your name, but excuse me, miss. Oh, yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say, yeah. I know you're trying to leave, but excuse me, miss. I say the last dance for you. How I love to keep you here with me, oh, baby.
Hey guys, welcome back. I am about to jump in the shower and get myself prepared for the night and possibly watch some movies or something, just chill out. But I did receive a package in the mail, so I'm going to open that up with you guys. So I'll call you right back. So guys, this is what I received in the mail. I love it. I love it. I love it. Can't wait to fill it up with my belongings so I can start carrying it right away. So yeah, thank you for opening the package with me, and I'll call you guys back in a moment. All right. Hey y'all, welcome back. As you can see, I'm back in the kitchen again, getting ready to start supper. Today we're going to be having some fried chicken, some cheesy au gratin potatoes with some cream corn on the side. So y'all come on, let's get it cracking. Come on in and help me out. All right. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today is January the 22nd, Sunday. I'm just sitting here chilling out, watching some movies right now. I'm kind of tired because I just finished preparing my supper for Sunday dinner. So I just wanted to let you guys peep in and see what we're having. So I'll bring it up in just a second. So I'll call you back. All right. Peace and blessings. Hope you're having a good day.
Set my scale, yeah. I feel like falling in love. I'm in the mood to fuck something up. Tonight I'm fucking something. I need some drink in my cup. Hey, I'm in.
So yeah, y'all, that's what we're having for supper. I've done all the taste testing, so everything is delicious. I wish you guys would be here to be able to taste it with me. But keep a lookout because I'm thinking in the near future starting an e-cookbook. So those recipes will be added in that book. But I'll keep you guys posted on that. I received a package also in the mail from Amazon. It's just one package, but as usual, I want to open it with you guys. So I will call you back in a second. All right. So y'all, this is what I received. I ordered these. I have an outfit that's actually for the summer. So I try to get my stuff early so I can already be prepared. I've heard if you stay ready, you don't have to get ready. But yeah, this is what I received in the mail. I'll call you guys back in a moment. Hey guys, I'm back. I wanted to just come back and let you guys know that I'm going to end the vlog here. I really appreciate you guys for watching. I thank you so much for rocking with me. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload my next video. As always, I wish you nothing but peace and blessings, and I will see you in my next video.